Hey guys, my name is Just Kamal and today I am going to tell you that how to convert your pen drive, memory card or any external media to the smaller size like 8 GB to 1 GB, 16 GB to 1 GB, 16 GB to 100 MB, anything you want to. So here I am inserting on my pen drive of 8 GB. Here you can see the total size of the pen drive showing is 7.43 GB, approximately around 7.5 GB. So today in this video I am going to show you that how to convert this pen drive into a smaller size, like I am converting it into a 1 GB pen drive. So here we go. What you have to do, just press the window key with R. You have to type a command disk part here. It will show you a prompt and then click yes. It will show you a command window like this. Here it's showing a command disk part, means to say disk partitions. So here you have to type list disk. So it will show you all the disk present in your PC, laptop, whatever you are using. So here it's showing disk 0 of 300 GB, that is my hard disk, and disk 1 of 7633 MB, means to say 8 GB pen drive. So I am selecting it, select disk 1. I am typing the command select disk 1 and here you can see disk 1 is now the selected disks. Now I am typing clean. Here the clean means the total flash of your pen drive. It will flash all the data, all the size, all the partitions present on your pen drive. So here you can see my pen drive is not showing any files, any of its size, like here it's showing the size that 160 GB, 19.9 GB, but here it's not showing. If I just press the enter, it will show you please insert a disk into Just Kamal, means to say there is no what I can whatever. So here I am typing exit because the disk has been totally cleaned. So now what you have to do, now click a right click on your my computer and then click the manage. So here it opens, then click the disk management option here in the left pane. So it will show you all the partitions, all the disks present on your PC with the total size and all the details of that. So guys, here you can see the pen drive, the disk 1 is showing a black color strip and others are showing the blue or light blues. So now I am going to create a simple volume of 1 GB. What you have to do, just right click on the anywhere in the region and then click the new simple volume, click next, and then type the size of the disk you want. Like I want a 1 GB, so I'm typing here 1030 because somewhat space is covered with the system volume, so I'm giving a bit larger amount. So by clicking next and then type the name of the volume here, just Kamal. Guys, please note that you don't have to change the file system. Please keep it on the FAT and keep the allocation unit size on default. Don't change it, otherwise you will destroy your whole pen drive. So click next, then finish, and here goes. So guys, here you can see a 1 GB pen drive has been created. So the total size has been was it's 7.43 GB and 6.45 GB is still unallocated. So 1 GB has been in use and this 6 GB or 6.45 GB is not in any use. No one can see this space, this 6.45 GB space anywhere in your computer. It can only be seen from here only. So guys, be relaxed. if you want to give up your pen drive to someone, and if somebody is asking you for the pen drive and you don't want to give him, just do this trick and tell him that I am not having enough size of my pen drive, so that please don't take my pen drive, blah blah blah. So guys, good luck for that. If you are having any problem, just please mention it in the comments, and also hit the subscribe buttons and also like buttons. Thank you.